How to copy the link of any file on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy link of any file on your OneDrive account. So first thing, go to the app. Now this is the OneDrive homepage. Choose the file that you want to copy the link of. For example, let's say I'm gonna choose this one right here. All what you have to do is click on those three dots, and now click on the share option right here and click on copy link right here. As you can see, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.